Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Have you heard about the incredible cabbage soup? It's the best choice if you want to lose up to 10 kilos or more in just 7 days. If that's the case for you, learn how to make this cabbage soup today. The cabbage soup diet will help you lose weight and detoxify your body because it's low in calories, low in fat, high in fiber, and depending on how it's prepared, it can also be considered low carb. But it's worth mentioning that it's not vegetarian or vegan because it contains beef and chicken in its preparation. On vacations, we usually overdo it, eating and drinking more than usual, don't we? Cabbage soup diet is perfect for you if you want to get back into your favorite clothes, detox, or get rid of puffiness. Many people who follow this diet report that they've lost weight in a healthy way and in a short time. But be aware that this isn't a permanent solution and should only be followed for a short period of time until you reach your weight loss goal. In the long run, a strict diet like this can lead to problems related to poor nutrition. Of course, how many pounds you lose depends on your gender and age, as well as whether you stick to the diet or cheat and to what extent. But most people have reported losing up to 10 or more pounds in a week using cabbage soup to lose weight. Remember that the weight you lose is a combination of water, fat, and sometimes even muscle. The cabbage soup diet is a low-calorie diet, about 1,000 calories per day, and its main goal is fast weight loss. Let's learn how to prepare cabbage soup. Write down the ingredients. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 yellow or white onion diced, 2 chopped peppers, any color, 4 stalks celery, chopped, 6 cloves garlic, minced, 2 large chopped tomatoes, 1 cup broccoli lettuce, optional, 1 head chopped kale, 9 cups chicken broth or low-sodium vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon ground turmeric, 2 cups baby spinach, 1 squeezed lemon, salt to taste. To make the detox cabbage soup, add oil and sauté onion, bell pepper, and celery in a large pot until soft, about 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Add the garlic and cook for 1 minute. Then stir in all the other ingredients except spinach, lemon juice, and salt. Increase the heat to medium-high and bring the soup to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low, stir, and simmer, covered, for 30 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Take off the lid and stir in the spinach and lemon juice. Then season with salt to taste. Done! Consume the soup immediately and store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 to 7 days. You can eat a bowl 2 to 3 times a day. If you want, you can freeze it for up to 4 to 6 months. In this case, take them out of the freezer to defrost, put them in the refrigerator overnight, and warm them up well. On this diet, you can drink water, coffee, or herbal tea without sugar. Avoid alcohol, soft drinks, and sugary drinks. Remember that this soup, as nutritious as it may be, can make you more tired, weaker, more irritable, less able to concentrate, and even hungrier. Since it's very restrictive, don't go on a diet for more than 7 days. The tip to avoid getting fat soon after you stop the diet is to drink plenty of water so that your body doesn't retain fluids, and to start eating a balanced diet, if possible, under the supervision of a nutritionist. Did you like this recipe? Try this delicious cabbage soup that will help you lose weight easily and quickly. If you already know it, tell me about it in the comments. Don't forget to like and share the video with your friends who want to lose weight. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.